Hey everyone, my name's Austin Duncan. I'm an account executive here at GoLinks and the current number one GoLink user at our company. And I was given the honor to be asked to run a quick tutorial on our keyword search function through our browser and our Slack integration. So without further ado, let's get into it, and I'll explain why that's a big highlight for a lot of GoLinkers. Is because we get from prospects and new customers is we create all of these GoLinks, these quick, easy to remember, smart links. But after a year of creating all of these links every day, how do I keep track of all the ones and remember which ones I made 3 quarters ago? So we created a keyword search function, which will give you the ability to search for anything that you've made with a GoLink, any information, document, application that you've saved, with that keyword within it. So let me show you how that would work. If I was to get a sales call, for example, and someone was to ask me about onboarding software, if I was a new sales rep, I may not know, a customer support success answer. So I would historically, ask someone within that department on Slack or email, and then eventually get a response and relay it to the customer. With time going by, that can impact the experience for a prospect and a new customer. What GoLinks does is it gives you the ability to search for any information you need on the fly. So, for example, if I was to be asked about onboarding, I could type in go/, and instead of just typing onboarding and I hope I get to something about onboarding, I can hit space, and it activates a keyword search function within our browser. I type in onboarding, just like the prospect customer asked me, and then boom, it would bring up all the information within our GoLinks that are relevant to onboarding. Now, that's a really brief overview of the keyword search function within our browser, but let me show you also real quick how our Slack integration would work. We hear from HR and IT leaders a lot that there's so much noise and redundant questions being asked on Slack. What we want to do is help reduce that completely. So before someone even thinks about tapping someone on the shoulder to ask for information on Slack, what they'd be able to do is search within Slack first. So let me show you what that looks like. You would type in / and type in go and hit enter. And what that would do is it activate the keyword search function again, but within Slack. So if I was a new hire and I was wanting to ask HR where all the new hire information that I might need for this week would be, instead of bugging HR, I could just type in new hire right there and hit enter. And then it will unfurl again all of the information relevant to new hires that we've made for a GoLink within our company. So what that does obviously is help with discoverability and information sharing. And you also, just to let you know, it's, as you can see here, it's only visible to you, so you're not creating any additional noise within a Slack channel. And I thank you so much for your time. Hope that helped a lot. And if you have any other further questions, please ask me or my team, as we're here to help. Have a great day.